Welcome. In front of me I have a Zbtlink WE2805B. That's a mouthful. And today I will go over unboxing of this router. Now, the box itself literally has almost no markings of the product brand name, apart from just this little sticker right here at the back. That's the only info we have. But anyway, nonetheless, I'm just gonna open it up. There we go. Eats that behind me. So here we have the router. I'm gonna set it to the side and also see what's under it, which we have Ethernet cable, a typical. Get a sticker. Okay, no idea what that is. And we get little rubber feet. They are cut out, as you can almost see, I think. Yep, so you can see now. So they are cut out. And I guess you would have to just stick them on there. We get our charger, looking very cheapish. And a little bit of an instruction right here. 4G LTE router user manual. Just the typical user manual things. Anyway, let's get a look at this. So right at the back we have a couple ports. We have the DC charging port or power port. We get a reset button in between. We get our LAN and then 2 out, and then we get our SIM. So there we go. We also have quadruple antennas. And they are a little bit kind of wobbly right here, but obviously that won't really matter considering this thing will be just sitting and never being probably touched, outside of maybe just needing to be resetted. So yeah, there we go. And one more thing is we do have an LED right here at the front. Obviously it's off, so not much to show here. And at the back, or the bottom, we have our IP for the settings and QR and so on. So there we go, that's basically it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.